Have you ever felt like you were just one step away from something truly transformative? A breakthrough that could catapult your spiritual journey to heights you've never imagined? Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey unlike any other. A journey into the heart of your own consciousness. A journey through the quantum leap. In today's exploration, we're diving deep into the mysteries of quantum leaping and its potential to offer instant spiritual breakthroughs. Imagine for a moment being able to shift your reality, to break through barriers that seem insurmountable, all through the power of your mind and the untapped potential of the quantum field. This isn't science fiction. It's a possibility that lies within each and every one of us. But what exactly is quantum leaping? How does it connect to our spiritual growth? And more importantly, how can you harness this incredible power to transform your life? Stay with us as we unravel these mysteries, offering you not just insights, but practical guidance on embarking on your own quantum journey. To understand quantum leaping, we must first delve into the concept of the quantum field. In the simplest terms, the quantum field is an all-encompassing field of energy and potential that exists everywhere in the universe. It's the canvas upon which the particles of our reality are painted, constantly in flux and influenced by the vibrations of our thoughts and intentions. This field isn't just a backdrop for the physical world. It's a dynamic, interactive part of our very existence. Think of it as an ocean of possibilities, where every thought wave can ripple across its vast expanse, influencing the physical, emotional, and spiritual realms. Our consciousness is not just a passive observer in this quantum field. It's an active participant. It's through our consciousness that we interact with the quantum field, shaping our reality with our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. And it's here, in this interplay between consciousness and the quantum field, that the magic of quantum leaping takes place. Quantum leaping, then, can be understood as a sudden, profound shift in perception, awareness, or understanding that occurs when our consciousness aligns perfectly with the quantum field. It's like finding the exact frequency on a radio dial that brings in the music clearly and powerfully. In a moment of quantum leaping, we can experience breakthroughs that elevate our spiritual journey, offering insights, healing, and transformation that seemed out of reach before. To embark on this journey, we must first prepare our minds and hearts, cultivating an environment within ourselves that's conducive to quantum leaping. It begins with awareness, becoming deeply attuned to our thoughts, emotions, and the subtle energies that surround us. But awareness is just the first step. We must also learn to set powerful intentions, align our emotions with our desires, and let go of the limiting beliefs that hold us back. As we stand on the brink of possibility, preparing to leap into the vastness of our spiritual potential, the first step is to cultivate a deep, resonant awareness. This awareness is not merely about noticing our thoughts and feelings. It's about becoming the observer of our inner landscape, witnessing the flow of our consciousness without judgment or attachment. To cultivate this awareness, begin by dedicating moments of your day to mindfulness. This could be through meditation, where you sit in silence, focusing on your breath, allowing thoughts and emotions to pass like clouds in the sky. Or it could be through mindful walking, where each step grounds you into the present moment, connecting you with the earth and the rhythm of your own heart. This practice of awareness is crucial for quantum leaping because it tunes us into the subtle frequencies of the quantum field. It's like adjusting our internal antennas to pick up the signals of the universe, signals that guide us towards our spiritual breakthroughs. With the foundation of awareness, we then move to setting intentions. Intentions are powerful because they direct our energy towards desired outcomes. But these are not just any desires. They are clear, focused, and aligned with our highest good and the greater good of all. To set an intention, first clarify what you seek in your spiritual journey. Is it peace, understanding, connection? Whatever it is, hold it in your heart, visualize it in your mind's eye, and then release it into the quantum field with trust and openness. Remember, the universe responds not just to our thoughts, but to the energy behind them. An intention imbued with love, trust, and positive expectation is like a beacon, shining brightly in the quantum field. The next step is emotional alignment. Our emotions are powerful indicators of our vibrational state. To align our emotions with our intentions means to feel as if our desired outcome is already a reality. This isn't about pretending or forcing positive emotions, but rather cultivating genuine gratitude, joy, and love in our present moment. One way to achieve emotional alignment is through the practice of gratitude. Each day, take time to reflect on and appreciate the abundance that already exists in your life. This shifts your vibration, aligning you with the frequencies of abundance, love, and joy in the quantum field. Another way is to visualize your intentions as already fulfilled, allowing yourself to feel the emotions that come with that reality. This practice not only aligns your emotional state with your desires, but also strengthens your connection to the quantum field, making you more receptive to the insights and transformations that await. Quantum leaping begins with a moment of choice, a decision to transcend our current state and embrace the potential for profound change. This choice is both a surrender and an assertion. A surrender to the universe's infinite wisdom and an assertion of our readiness to evolve. To initiate the leap, find a quiet space where you can be undisturbed. Ground yourself in your awareness practice, whether it be through meditation, breathwork, or another method that brings you into the present moment. Here, in this space of deep connection, reaffirm your intention. Visualize it as a beacon, calling you forward. Then open yourself to the quantum field. Imagine it as a vast, luminous expanse around you, pulsing with energy and possibility. Feel your intention resonating in this field, aligning with its frequencies. Trust in this moment that the field is responding, co-creating with you the conditions for your leap. The act of quantum leaping is not always immediate or dramatic. Sometimes it unfolds subtly, revealing its gifts in whispers and nudges rather than shouts. Stay open and attentive to the signs, the synchronicities, the intuitive hits, the sudden clarity or shifts in perception. These are markers of your journey, signs that you are moving in harmony with the quantum field. As you navigate this process, maintain your emotional alignment. Continue to cultivate feelings of gratitude, love, and joy, even in the face of uncertainty. Remember, your emotions are the language with which you communicate with the quantum field. They amplify your intentions, drawing your desired reality closer. Be prepared for the unexpected. Quantum leaps often take us to places we hadn't envisioned, offering lessons and insights far beyond our initial intentions. Embrace these surprises with openness and curiosity, for they are part of your spiritual evolution. After the leap comes the phase of integration. This is where the insights and transformations you've experienced begin to weave into the fabric of your being, reshaping your reality from the inside out. Integration requires reflection. Take time to journal, meditate, or engage in contemplative practices that help you process your experiences. Ask yourself, how have my perceptions changed? What new understandings have emerged? How can I apply these insights to my life? Integration also involves action. Quantum leaps often inspire us to make changes in our lives, whether it's adopting new habits, letting go of old ones, or making decisions that align more closely with our true selves. Embrace these changes, understanding that they are the tangible manifestations of your quantum leap. Finally, share your journey. Our spiritual breakthroughs not only transform us, but can also inspire and uplift others. Whether through conversations, creative expression, or simply living your truth, sharing your experience can ripple out, touching the lives of many. With each quantum leap, our relationship with the universe deepens, revealing layers of complexity and simplicity in the dance of existence. Sustaining this spiritual momentum is key to an ongoing journey of discovery and transformation. It involves a commitment to daily practices that keep us attuned to the subtle energies of the quantum field. Deepening your connection can take many forms, from meditation and mindfulness to spending time in nature or engaging in creative pursuits. These activities keep the channels of communication open between you and the quantum field, ensuring that you remain receptive to its guidance and synchronicities. Additionally, studying spiritual texts, attending workshops, or joining communities of like-minded individuals can provide nourishment for your soul and new perspectives on your journey. The wisdom shared in these spaces can act as signposts, guiding you further along your path. The path of spiritual evolution is one of continuous transformation. Each quantum leap is a step on this journey, but not the destination. Embracing this ongoing process means being open to constant change, learning, and growth. Stay curious and open-hearted. Challenges and obstacles are not setbacks, but opportunities for deepening your understanding and expanding your consciousness. Approach each situation with a learner's mindset, asking what lessons it holds for your spiritual development. Practice flexibility in your beliefs and perceptions. As you evolve, so too will your understanding of the world and your place within it. Be willing to let go of old paradigms that no longer serve you, making room for new insights and realities to emerge. Living as a quantum being means integrating your spiritual insights into every aspect of your daily life. It's about seeing the sacred in the mundane, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, and acting from a place of compassion and wisdom. Begin by making conscious choices that reflect your highest values and intentions. Whether it's how you interact with others, the work you do, or how you care for the planet, let your actions be a testament to your spiritual journey. Practice presence and gratitude in your daily routines. Even the simplest activities can be infused with mindfulness and appreciation, transforming them into acts of spiritual practice. As quantum beings, we are not only transforming ourselves, but also contributing to the collective consciousness of humanity. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions ripple outwards, affecting the web of life in which we all are entwined. Engage in acts of kindness and service, knowing that every positive action contributes to the elevation of the collective vibration. Share your journey and insights with others, offering support and inspiration as they navigate their own paths. Remember, the quantum field connects us all. By raising our own vibration, we contribute to a global shift towards higher consciousness, paving the way for a more harmonious and compassionate world. As we wrap up our journey together through the realms of quantum leaping and spiritual breakthroughs, it's important to reflect on the ground we've covered and the insights we've shared. From understanding the quantum field and preparing ourselves for the leap, to navigating the transformative process and integrating our new insights into daily life, each step has been a part of a larger journey towards personal and collective transformation. Remember, quantum leaping is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey of growth, discovery, and evolution. It's about embracing the infinite possibilities that lie within and around us, connecting deeply with the universe, and using that connection to foster positive change in our lives and the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your path be filled with light, love, and endless possibilities. Remember, the only limit to where you can go is your own imagination. Let's leap into the future together, creating a world of higher consciousness and deeper connection for all. Until next time, keep leaping, keep growing, and keep shining your unique light in the universe.